Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to add bank accounts to your Luno account. Now, adding bank accounts to your Luno account is a crucial step for depositing and withdrawing local currency. Here's a general guide. Access your Luno account through the mobile app or website. Look for Settings, Profile, Account or a similar section. Within the settings, locate options related to bank account or payment methods. Look for an Add Bank Account, Add Payment Method or similar option. You'll be prompted to enter your bank account details, which may include bank name, account holder name, account number, branch code, that is the SWIFT code, depending on your location. Luno may require you to verify your bank account. This could involve a small test deposit to your bank account, uploading a bank statement, entering a code that is sent to you. Now you need to confirm and save the bank account details. You should receive a confirmation message or notification indicating that your bank account has been successfully added.